Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to review Total Wireless. Total Wireless offers a wide range of attractive deals, making it appealing at first glance, especially with promotions like the iPhone 13 for $49.99 when bundled with the Total 5G Plus Unlimited 3-month plan, or the TLC Phone Plus Tablet bundle for $99.99 with a year of service included. The carrier also advertises strong network support through Verizon's 5G coverage, unlimited talk, text, and data options, spam filtering, and a 5-year price guarantee, which helps users avoid unexpected bill increases. Shoppers can bring their own phone, buy new devices in store or online, and even claim holiday offers such as up to 4 free 5G phones when switching to select unlimited plans. Total Wireless also encourages bundling by offering 5G home internet free for 2 months when paired with any phone plan. The service promotes itself as a convenient, budget-friendly solution with simple activation steps, in-store help, and a mobile app for easy account management. Additional perks like Disney Plus included with some plans, $99 Fios installation savings, and partnership with UFC and Empower Work are designed to make their carrier feel more premium. Customers are encouraged to explore bundled savings, hotspot options, and home internet deals designed to lower monthly cost. However, the real customer experience paints a different picture. Total Wireless currently holds a very low Trustpilot rating, indicating consistent dissatisfaction across users. Many reviewers report issues such as unreliable customer support, activation problems, unexpected service disruptions, difficulty transferring numbers, hidden complications despite no hidden fees claims, and trouble redeeming promotional offers. While Total Wireless looks appealing thanks to competitive pricing and generous phone deals, the extremely low customer satisfaction rating suggests that users should proceed with caution. Now we will discuss its pros and cons. On the positive side, Total Wireless offers a simple plug-and-play setup, low cost with no contracts, and decent speeds for basic streaming and browsing. On the downside, the speed depends heavily on signal strength. It may slow down after high data usage and customer support can be unreliable. Overall, Total Wireless offers great deals on paper but falls short in real users' experience due to consistently poor customer satisfaction. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.